Welcome to part 93 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems, asking for help. Can you help me, please? Example. Can you help me, please? I'm lost. I need some help. Example. I need some help with this box. Could you show me? Example. Could you show me how to use this machine? Could you explain it again? Example. Could you explain it again? I didn't understand. I don't know what to do. Example. I don't know what to do next. Don't worry. I'll help you. Example. Don't worry. I'll help you solve the problem. Thank you for your help. Example. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. You're very kind. Example. You're very kind. Thanks again. I couldn't do it without you. Example. I couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much. Mini conversation. Anna, you look confused. What's wrong? Ben, I need some help. I don't know what to do. Anna, don't worry. I'll help you. What do you need? Ben, could you explain it again, please? Anna, of course. I'm happy to help. Daily tip. Everyone needs help sometimes. Don't be afraid to ask politely, and always remember to thank the people who help you. Kindness and gratitude make communication much easier. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're having trouble using a ticket machine at a train station. Ask someone for help, explain that you don't know what to do, ask them to explain it again, thank them for helping you, and describe the experience using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 94. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.